I wish to oppose this article, not from the point of view of a lawyer, but from the point of view of person who values the civil liberties of the people. Stop. My friends, Messrs. Naziruddin Ahmad and Bhargava, have made out a strong case for the deletion of the words as to the interpretation of the Constitution. Stop. It is difficult to disagree with Sir Alladi when he warned us just now against too much litigation. Stop. One should always wish that the habit of litigation should be given up. Stop. I fervently hope that the present system of justice will be soon changed, so that justice pure and simple should be guaranteed to the people, cheaply and quickly. Stop. I have carefully studied the provisions regarding the powers of the Supreme Court and listened to the speeches made here. Stop. I am not able to find any provision which guarantees to the citizen who has been condemned to death or whose civil liberty has been taken away that he shall have an inherent right of going in appeal to the highest tribunal, the Supreme Court. Stop. I have seen many cases where people were condemned to death. Stop. I had the misfortune during the 1942 movement to live in a condemned cell for about 26 months, and about 37 men were hanged in my presence. Stop. There were 8 cells for condemned prisoners in one block, and I occupied one of them. Stop. So, I was privileged to be with the condemned prisoners, to meet them and to talk and to live with them. Stop. Out of the 37 men, 7 were acquitted, 10 had their sentences reduced to transportation for life were real murders. Many who were sentenced to transportation for life, and the rest 20 were hanged. Stop. I am sure, sir, that many who were acquitted were real murders. Many who were sentenced to transportation for life were real murders, and many who were hanged were innocent. Stop. At least I was convinced in the case of 7 persons that they were perfectly innocent. Stop. Still they were hanged. Stop. I do not say that the Supreme Court will always know by some divine inspiration what is true. Stop. That is why I stand for our abolition of capital punishment altogether. Stop. But so long as we do not abolish the death penalty, I feel that the man who is condemned to death must have the right of appeal to the highest tribunal. Stop. This must be an inherent right and not limited by any conditions. Stop. I am fully prepared to accept the advice of Sri Alladi on other subjects. I am prepared to limit the functions of the Supreme Court in hearing appeals in civil cases, but I do wish that the men who are condemned to death should have the inherent right of appeal to the Supreme Court, and no man should be hanged unless the Supreme Court has confirmed the death sentence. Stop. The other day I was hearing at another place my learned friend, Dr. Bakshi Tek Chand, when he told us that when he was a judge of the Lahore High Court, about 300 cases of murder went to him in appeal every year. Stop.